least it started.
Sounds great, mate.
Clutch barely grabs, hey?
Yeah, does it?
Barely grabs.
Great.
Alright, now as you would have heard before, the car struggled to start up, so the battery is actually going on it. That is just, you know, that's just what happens when the car's been sitting there being undriven for, I believe it's 2, almost 3 weeks now. And you also would have heard that the clutch wasn't grabbing. So yeah, that's because of the clutch slipping. I can cut that out. That is because
the clutch isn't grabbing because the clutch is slipping.
Yeah. Anyway,
why am I holding? Leave that in. Leave that in.
Yeah, right. Why am I holding this, and why have I got this? Well, the car is disgusting, as you can tell. It's just like you just move your hand along it.
That's disgusting.
Imagine, actually, you know what? I think the best way to explain it to you is get a piece of sandpaper. And rub your fingers along it. All right. Now imagine that, except the little bumps on the sandpaper aren't small, they're massive, like divots. It's just disgusting. Mate. Oh, look, we've got a spider, I think. Hello, buddy. Get off my car.
Get yeeted.
Anyway, so what are we doing today? We're going to be trying to remove these dents.
This beautiful boy.
Yeah, and this one here. So we're going to use a range of methods that I've seen online. And when I say a range, I mean only 2, because that's all I've seen. So yes, first things first, gotta clean this bad boy so that the toilet plunger sticks. There we go. Now, I'll come in with my handy dandy towel. Clean as a whistle. Now, where did I put that plunger?
Clean as a whistle. Clean. Yeah, I'm right. Anyway,
let's grab the plunger.
Get to plunging, boy.
Oof. Watch out, man. Watch out. Alright, now, I picked this one to show you guys with the toilet plunger because it's on a flatter surface, and I think if I just place it like that, it kind of covers it. So let's see. Alright, ready?
Yeah, mate. World of difference.
Yeah, that definitely worked.
Anyway, that did bugger all. But we do have something else, don't we, Dante?
Yes, we do. And where's it from, Alex?
TikTok.
TikTok, yes. This method came from TikTok. So I'm about to do this big reveal for you, so get ready. Oh.
A hot glue gun.
Alright guys, now you might be wondering why we have hot glue sticks and a hot glue gun and a piece of wood.
And how it's going to actually get a dent out.
That's exactly right. Well, I'm about to show you. So first things first, you get your hot glue stick, heat up the end. So heat, stick, cool down, pull,
dent out.
Dent out.
Now the system is a bit bootleg, isn't it, Dante?
Yeah, mate, and we've got to do it quickly as well, because obviously hot glue gun.
The PowerPoint here car there. So not the ideal. So what's the plan, Dante?
All right,
How
so
are we gonna do
this is the plan, and this is what I've seen. So let's get this bad boy in there. So what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to heat the glue up, and then put the hot glue onto the end of this, make it like a real big like glob of it.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go and just chuck it on the back of the car where the dent is. And I'm going to stick multiple on there, and hopefully we can get the dent off like that.
Yeah, use the glue as like a big stick that will pull.
Yeah.
And hopefully it'll take the dent with it. But we've also got to figure out how to do this, and hopefully it works.
Yes, because we haven't done this before. Obviously, we're complete noobs.
We are broke car connoisseurs.
Yes. Right, bring another one. Chuck it off. Put it on anyway.
I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, righto. Next one.
Quick.
To you, Dante.
Yes.
Why am I doing all the running? What's going on here?
Oh, I mean, I can do the running if you want. Oh, that's a lot. All right, go on, give it a go. Chuck her on.
That's one thicky boy. Yeah.
Oh, put them close together so we can grab them all.
Yeah, mate, she's going good. We might as well just cut to us having all of them on there because this is killing me. Yeah, Dante, what should we tell the people?
Yes. Don't do this at home.
If you care about your car.
If you care about your car, yes. I obviously care about my car. That's why I'm trying to get the dent out.
But that's what it looks like anyway.
Yeah. It's not recommended that you do this where there is paint peeling. My paint's all good, so it should be fine.
Well, in this spot it is.
In this spot it is, yes. Now, what we want to do once we've stuck them all on is you want to cool it down. In the videos that I've seen, they use spray bottles, but I mean, we've got spray bottles, but there's just all sorts of random stuff in them you don't want to know. So I'm going to just get some water, and I'll just pour it down it just slowly, just to try and get the glue to cool. And I know what you're thinking. How do you get the glue off once you've pulled the sticks off? There is a way, there's a little spray that we can use and we can get that off. Anyway, let's get it off. All right, can we give it a good old-fashioned buddy?
Oh God, here we go.
I missed.
You missed it completely there, bud.
There we go.
Oh lordy. Anyway, we'll cut to it being dry, I guess.
Yes, and me yanking it. All right, now before we do this, we just wanted to say that if it works, you'll be seeing us removing more of the dents, but if it doesn't work, roll the outro.
Roll to us crying. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. It worked! It worked! It worked! Holy shit! It actually worked!
Mom, get the camera.
Oh my lord!
Bro, it's only...
Guys, what the hell?
There's a small dent there.
Oh my goodness!
That's pretty good.
I don't have to spend $2,000 to get the dent out.
You just have to spend $1,000 to get the clutch replaced.
And I don't have to buy a new tailgate. Oh, look at that! There's just a little dent now, and I reckon we can get that out with these things. And the glue came straight off.
Well, that's goated.
That is awesome. All right, guys. So obviously that worked, and as you can see, it's completely like flat. So there was no air. There was no air in between the metal and the glue, which is awesome. So what we're actually going to do now is we're going to put, I think, this one up here, just on this little dent here, and in the hopes that we can pull that one out. And then also just down here, there's still a little bit of a ding there. So once we get those two done, we're going to move around the car, and we're just going to tick and flick all of the 7 dents that we spotted in the video where we walked around this car. So let's get into it. Alex?
So this one should be easy because it's just a very small dent. Hopefully this should work. This will tell us like if it's good to take it every day.
Can you hold around it so it doesn't pull it out? No, hold around. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, you ready?
Hang on, wait for it to focus. Oh, focus please. Yeah, yep, give her a pull.
Ooh. Bloody hell. Jesus.
Okay.
Hey mate, you just got a glue stick on the car for the rest of the oh god.
Yeah, do you want Muscle Man to give it a go?
Muscle Man?
Yeah, here, take the camera. Watch it.
Oh,
I mean, that came out a little bit.
I reckon smaller dents are a lot harder with this technique.
Yeah.
I reckon
I
it's
think so
definitely
too.
a lot harder.
It came out a little bit though, like that's a whole lot less noticeable, which is awesome. Anyway, on to these ones.
Don't worry, big muscle man over here is gonna show me up.
So we're gonna try, actually I wanna have like kind of a tactic for this. I think I'm gonna try this one first, and then I'll pull these and then I'll do that one. So let's go left hand. It came out. There we go, first go on that one. So there was a little
It's
still a bit there. Okay, well let's try this bigger one. My theory is with this one, is it's gonna do exactly the same as what the toilet plunger did. It's gonna pop out a little bit and go back in, but let's give her a go. Yeah, see? I don't think it's gonna
No,
do
pull
it.
it, mate.
Nah. I don't think that was ever gonna work. Yeah, that just pulled it out. Alright, let's see what this one does. Fingers crossed. Ooh, I don't feel like I'm gonna break the glue stick. No. Oh well, that didn't stain in the car.
Yeah.
But I think,
Well, we got rid of that bloody big one, which is worth its weight in gold, I reckon.
yes, definitely, definitely. Well, other than that, guys, I think that concludes the video. So please leave a like, subscribe, comment. Links are in the description, and
See you next time.
bye.